Welcome to Coding for Learners. Myself Kusma. In this video, you are going to learn multi-dimensional arrays. Array of arrays, we call it as an multi-dimensional arrays. Okay. In the previous video, I have explained the two-dimensional array. So here we are going to see the three-dimensional arrays. So here is the declaration of the 3D array. So the data type and the array name, and first we will be having the rows and the columns, and next we will be having the dimension. So that index, it will be like, okay, so first the rows and the columns of an one set array, and here whatever the dimension you will be mentioning, that index the number of sets of 2D arrays. Okay, so now you will see an example. So it is row number, it is 2. So that means number of rows is 2 and number of columns is 3 and dimension is 3. So that indicates 2 cross 3. Okay, two dimensional array you will be having. So that type you will be having the 3 sets. Okay, so 3 sets of two dimensional array which is of 2 cross 3 you will be having. So this is the example, and here you are having an initialization of that 3D array, how it will be looking. So 2 cross 3 cross 3. So that means you will be having the 3 sets. Okay. So 3 sets means 3 sets of, okay, 2 cross 3. That means 2 rows and the 3 columns array. So now see here. So 3 sets means you will be having this as 1 and this as 2 and this as 3. And in each set you will be having the 2 rows and the 3 columns. So one row and the second row. So and in each row you will be having 3 columns, 1, 2, 3. So this will be the first array and this will be the second array. In the second array also you will be having the 2 rows and in each row you will be having the 3 columns. Okay. So in the last set you will be having the same way, 2 rows and the 3 columns. 3 columns you will be having. Okay, so we'll see here the example. So here we have taken an array name as test, and here we are taking 2 rows and 3 columns and the dimension is 2. That means 2 sets you will be having. Okay, so for that one, here we are asking the enter the values. So why we are mentioning 12 means here you're going to get 12 values only. So how you are going to calculate the values means the row into column into whatever the dimension. Okay, the same thing you're going to calculate in 2D array also. Okay, if you want to know the number of elements in that set, okay, you can multiply rows and the columns. So you will get the total number of elements that present in an array. So here also the same thing, 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 2, 12. So we are telling here enter 12 values. Okay, so how you are going to enter the values? So first you will be mentioning the outer for loop. Okay, then you will be having the next row, that means next for loop, inner for loop, and inside that you will be having the one more for loop, because here you have the 3 indices. Okay, so first one will be the row numbers. Okay, so I we are going to take for the row, and next j you are going to take for the columns. Okay, so next you are going to take the k for the set. Okay, so I will be 0 to 2. So here we have the 2 rows, so I value will be from 0 to 2. So 2 means it will be like I will be less than 2, so the I is going to take 0 and 1, and next j is going to take the 3 values, that is 0, 1, 2. Okay, and k is going to take the this value, that means 2 values, that is 0 and 1. So next you are going to enter the values. So it is going to take test of I, j, k. Okay, so next you are going to display the particular values the same way you are going to display. Okay, so I, j and the k, 3 for loops you require as you are having 3-dimensional array, and the same way you will be displaying I, j, k. Okay, so once you are displaying, you will be coming out of the complete program. So here is the output. So it will be asking like enter 12 values, and you will be entering the 12 values. So I have entered the numbers from 1 to 12 continuously. Whatever the numbers you want, you can enter. Okay. So this is the output you will be getting, like displaying values. So 1 to 12 with the indices you are going to get. Okay. So it will be looking like this. So it is 0, 0, 0. That means 0th row, 0th column and the first set. Okay. So this is the first set. Okay. And backside whatever you are having, that will be the second set. So it will be like, I told like it is two sets, the third size whatever you are mentioning, that is the dimension. Okay. So two dimension we have mentioned. Okay. There it is not 2D array. 3D array I have told. Okay. So this is like 2 cross 3. Okay. And one more set you have 2 cross 3. So how many sets totally? 2 sets. So 2 sets means in this is the one direction, the third direction. So that is a 3D array. Okay. So the values how you are going to take means, so the first value will be this one, 0th row, 0th column and the 0th set. Okay. And next value whatever you are going to enter, the k value will be changing. So k is, the first set will be the k value is equals to 0 and next backside set will be k value is equals to 1. So the next value whatever you are entering, so it is going to take this position. So I is equals to 0, j is equals to 0 and k value is 1. So the position it is going to take this one and the value will become 2. And the next value you are entering is 0, 1, 0. 0th row and the first column and the 0th set. So that means the value is 3. So it is like one value for the first set and the other value for the next set in the same positions it is going to give. So here I have entered 1 to 12 continuously. So it is going to take like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same with 7 backside 8, 9 backside 10 and 11 backside 12. So like that it is going to display or it is going to take the values. So this is how it is going to look, the three-dimensional array. I think you have understood the three-dimensional array. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please do subscribe and share.